The 2 Tires Guide to the Bridgestone SC2 Radial Scooter. If you ride a maxi scoot and you want the ultimate in cornering ability, then take a look at these. The SC2 are essentially a close copy of the Bridgestone S21, which was their premium sports tire for motorcycles. The S21 has since been superseded by the S22 and now the S23, but the SC2 scooter remains unchanged, thanks in part due to its popularity. As the saying goes, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. While the maxi scooter sizes are radial in construction, helping them feel very precise, Bridgestone also produced the SC2 in a cross-ply, to fit smaller bikes. When we tested these back-to-back with the popular Michelin City Grip 2, we preferred the Bridgestones for their feel and feedback, even in wet conditions. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.